do you think is the wildest animal in the entire world? Leopard, tiger, lion, snake, or shark? The answer is none of them. But surprisingly, it is mosquito. Mosquito causes death of 725,000 to 1 million people per year, which makes this creature the wildest animal in the entire world. This creature can go around the world except the places that are so cold. And mosquito distinguishing features are long arms and legs. This wild animal can cause 13 most common diseases for human, which are malaria, lymphatic filariasis, yellow fever, West Nile fever, dengue fever, chikungunya, Zika fever, Rose River fever, Eastern equine encephalitis, Japanese encephalitis, lacrosse encephalitis, St. Louis encephalitis, Western equine encephalitis, which they all are dangerous and serious diseases for humans.